In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find friends on BeReal application. First of all, of course, if you don't have a BeReal application, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tips tutorial. So after opening the BeReal application, that will actually be your home screen. And BeReal application is just an application, of course, that you have to post daily, like one post per day. And this post will be an instant photo. Of course, let me just show you in the discovery. It's actually like that. So people actually taking two pictures at the same time, one with their back camera and one with their front camera, of course, and they post it at BeReal. As you can see here, like everyone does it. And of course, if you want to see the discovery, I mean other people like BeReals, you would like to post first, because if you didn't, you will not be able to see other people BeReals. So if you want to actually get friends in actually discovery, of course, if you know someone, you would like just to click at add friend and type his username here and click at add friend. But if you want to meet or add random friends, you would like to see here, maybe if you like a post, if you like someone here, you can actually go and click at the username of the user, then click at add friends. Like if you like here some people, click at add friends. Of course, if you want them to add you, can maybe start reacting to their BeReals. And that's how you actually get some friends or find friends on BeReal application. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.